Hello, everybody. Welcome to my live stream where we trade life together. So, today we're gonna look at futures, YM or Dow Jones or us30, however you want to call it. We're gonna look at gold and whatever else you want me to look at, just drop it in the chat. Um, my strategy is based on support, resistance, and EMA. Very simple strategy, very simple and very easy to follow. So yeah, let's trade together. Let's see if we can find up great setups. And yeah, if you have any question, drop it in the chat. Please like, subscribe, share, all those good things for me. Let's see. I'm waiting for some people to join. If you are here, say hello and like. I can see the YM is going up. Is that the resistance, the strong resistance that reacted it many times before? I'm just curious if it's gonna react again. Or it's just gonna break it. Do we have enough momentum to break this or no? Say hello in the chat if you're here. I see you here. Hey, Marianne, how are you? I am great. This week, Marianne, was a great week. Every single day I had a full GP, at least one, sometimes two, and even three. So I'm feeling okay. Let me see, it doesn't want to connect here. You're short on a euro. You want me to watch the euro? Okay, let's get the charts. Charts. Here is the YM. You can see the price approach this area. This area, look how strong it is. Very strong area. So let's see, it's Friday. I don't know if it's gonna broke, because usually Friday people take profit, but depends. Let's do the euro. USD, where are, oh, I'm on the future. Oh. Okay, so you're in a short. Oh, you saw this. When did you get in? Yeah, I see this M pattern. So yeah, it's a strong pattern. For me to get in a short, how you know, I will want the price to go below the EMA, but just the fact that you see this, I think it's enough. I don't know, you are more aggressive, Marianne? Good morning, Jason. I think it's enough. Where is your stop loss? Take profit, sorry. Right here, somewhere here. Merhaba, Kara. Thank you for joining me again. Oh, yeah, so around this area, yeah. 179. A little lower than mine. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's hope everything gets good. But yeah, it's a strong pattern. I think you got this, Marianne. I think you got it. Okay, let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold give me this beautiful wig on 1 minute, which I love those type of wigs. It show me a trend direction. It's clearly an uptrend. Look how beautiful. Let me delete those. So these are the drawings that I did yesterday. Look how beautiful. The price, you see, this was the trend line. I'm just doing areas instead of lines. So this was the trend. The price broke the trend, but see, it reset it right here in the same time, retested it in the same time with the rejection of the EMA. So this was a beautiful entry if somebody got this. It broke the trend and it got the EMA rejection. So nice, nice, nice. I took profits today. What were you, on a long or on a short? I think on a long if you took profit. And now this acts as a support on a 5 minutes. EMA 50 is a support clearly. So yeah, we can wait to either break the support or let it go. Let's see. Retest this. Let me see. This is the W that the M, sorry, on a gold. Here we see the price formed an M. So maybe the price will want to retest this area right here. Let's mark this area with red now. And this area that's broken with gray. Okay. We'll see. And go for 1 minute. I'm going to, this is green because you buy here, and red. Okay, let's put an alarm when the price touch this area and when the price touch this, and also when the price touch the EMA on 5 minutes. I know you're there. 5 minutes I want, yes. Okay, create. So yeah, I put all the alarms on the gold. Let's see. I like using the take profit setting, not just the stop loss like I was. Okay, so now Jason, you use the what I showed you. They set it in the same time. It sets in the same time, take profit and stop loss. Okay. Good that you use it. It's very easy. It's way easier to use, and visually it's nicer. So yeah, nice. Okay, for the YM, what I'm waiting is if it breaks this area, I need a retest. Okay, and then I want the EMA. So let's put an alarm. No, condition price, cross to EMA, create. And let's see. We can even put a Fibonacci when this move stops. Do you guys want me to watch something for you? How is your day going? This morning I wake up and I did not have electricity. I think there were some big rains and storms here in Miami. So I had no electricity. And it was 8 a.m. And I'm like, oh, I have no electricity. So let me sleep a little bit more because I couldn't do the live if it's no electricity. But I got it back. The electricity came exactly 9 o'clock or something like that. So I'm like, okay, let's just get up off the bed and do the live. Do the live. Oh, okay. So it looks like the price it's melting. It's melting through, not melting. How you call it? Just break it through. Let's. I want to make sure that I put everything. Here we go. I mark this area very good. Entering rectangular. So let's see. Wow. Nice, nice. What is the Bitcoin doing? I know it's crashing. Crashing, crashing, crashing. I don't know today. Let me see the news. If I have any news today. Look, the internet is. What is this? Fed Jason's speech today. Today we have news. Fed Jason's speech. Jefferson. What does he want to talk about? At 12 o'clock. Let me see. More U.S. consumer sentiment from University of Michigan. Sentiment surge from consumer with large stock portfolios. Significant for other dismal. I don't really understand. U.S. Consumer Expectation Index in February, preliminary versus index in February versus January. Market expected for a February prelim. You know, I'm no trading view. You go here, Jason, everything. Trading view has everything. You go here where you have the instrument. So you press on the instrument. You are here on micro Dow. And here you see it's the purple thing. Here you have all the news. 10 minutes ago, what happened? This is news like what's happening in the market. Rise of job killer robots, whatever things that happens. And if you go here at this calendar, you have the economic news. You have the earnings, revenue, economic. And yeah, you see all the news here. And how many, you see this one at 10 o'clock was a very important news. You see it has high importance. This is not so important because it has just one little blue here. So yeah, here. And you can see for everything. But I think mine is just the economic. That's the most important. And I put the country, USA, I think here. Yes. I don't want the news from everywhere. And do I put any other filter? No, that's it. Did you guys join my Telegram? Everybody was asking me for Telegram. Telegram. I finally made a Telegram. So join it and please be active there. I never had Telegram. I don't even know what we're gonna talk about it, but I made it. So any questions you ask there. Okay. If you see my story. Yeah, join there. I want, maybe we can build a nice, strong community. It's free anyway. I don't want to charge for what. It's just basically for support, for people that follow me, for people that watch me, and support each other. What I wanted to do. Okay, so here we go. The price might reject this area. I think in order to break this, but I don't know, we need a really big news or something. I don't know. So break it. But yes, now if the price go below the EMA, we can go for a short. Let's see the gold. What is it doing? So the gold, I put alarms if it touch this area, if it touch this blue area, and the EMA on 5 minutes, because I see how beautiful it react on it. So yeah, my alarms are set. Do you guys set alarms? I think it might be. I think I'm expecting a reversal too, Jason. I'm expecting a reversal, but we'll see. I don't want to go. Look here, a candle. This show reversal. I don't want to go. Oh, Bitcoin is a 30K today? No, it can't be. It can't be. Do you guys remember we talk about the first times uh, when I first started this, and somebody was asking me about Bitcoin, and I said the only way. Oh, this was some areas for the Bitcoin. The only way I'll buy the Bitcoin is if it gets to, I don't remember what I said. It's either I said 25 or 50. And everybody was laughing, ha 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 ha. But I wasn't, I was just joking. I didn't know that it's gonna just drop like this. But look, it's such 59, 60,000. Wow. Wow. So that's almost, how much? It was the biggest, almost 50%. That's crazy. Oh, more than 50%. It was 124. 50% in few months. Alarm at 30K. So these are the areas that I mark on the Bitcoin. It did break this. So now I'm expecting altcoin 99.99. Well, altcoin dropped 99.9. I don't know. I don't watch it like that, but it's crazy. If it breaks this, the new this one here on a day, I will not be surprised if it touches this here, 18 or 20. I will really not be surprised. And I think at that point, people will just buy and buy and it will just explode. Let's see altcoin. Altcoin. What? Yeah, but what? I don't know this coin. This is from July 2025. It dropped. Oh my god. I think this was a scheme coin. Is this a real coin or it was a scheme? It cannot be real. Somebody just made this and they got rich from this coin. 100% cannot be. Man, I'm watching some of my comments on my YouTube. No, one comment. One comment especially. I don't really have so much hate. I mean, I don't really have hate online, which is crazy, but not crazy. It's good. But I have this person that keeps commenting, "You are a scam. You are a clown. You are." I'm like, what? Look like it's time to buy what? We're not buying. Don't forget, Kara. You said you are struggling with FOMO. This is your FOMO kicking in right now. We're not buying. This is a no entry area. No, no, no. Ah, for altcoin. I don't know this coin. It's not a memes coin. It wasn't actually a real coin. Let's see Ethereum. 1,000. I think the two coins that you want to look to buy is definitely Bitcoin and Ethereum. When it was this? In June 2022. Altcoins. What? That's how it's called? Altcoins? Those are altcoins. I don't know nothing about crypto. Really, I don't. When I talk about crypto, I'm only talking about the charts. If I look at the charts and see something, but more than that, I really don't know. So if Ethereum, Link, Solana, XRP are altcoins, what's the purpose for a coin called altcoin? It's like, oh, okay, euro, US dollar, it's money. And then let me make another something called money. I don't know, it just doesn't make sense for me. Let me see now if it works, my hands free. So yeah, what I was looking. Yeah, Ethereum 1,500. Maybe if it goes to 1,500, nice. Maybe you can buy instead of Bitcoin. I don't know. Okay, here we go. The price wants to go below EMA. I don't know why it doesn't work. Ah. How is your trade going, Marianne? Look at my hair, it's all over. Andate solo. You know what? Let's see other. Russell. Russell is consolidating. Russell is consolidating between these two areas. Why I don't have S&P here? Yes, why I don't have ES here, guys? Same with ES. It did break the trend. Yes, so that's good. Probably is gonna go up. Okay, we might getting ready for our entry, guys. Vas capaz, ok, un contractor chévere, por desejável, hasta eu para que não sinto, não este, quando saiu baixo, não vais cagachas, nos tichinhas. Cât de zi se întorc la fel într-o zi, nu cred că mă cunoști, nu te loc. Dacă mi-a făcut tot, eu nu mă mai întorc, nu pot. Ce e tot e să dar așa că stop. Și nu te recunosc uneori, mă fac să simt că mor, tu vezi totul e ușor. Mor, nici nu te recunosc uneori. I was joking. Oh, ah. Okay, we're getting ready or no? Is anybody trading now? What are you guys trading? I try EMA 20 and 200. Yes, on the euro. Yeah, on euro. Yes, I don't know on euro which one works the best, but if you say EMA 20 and 200, uh, the strongest EMAs are, if you want to start from the lowest, it's 7, 21, 50, and 200. Those are the strongest EMAs that people usually use as indicators. So EMA is one of the strongest indicators that people use. Even the guy that I watch, the Einstein of the stock market, Wall Street, you know which one I'm talking about. That's what he uses. He uses EMA and he uses RSI as indicators, and sometimes some Fibonacci. So if you want to go to indicators, those are the best: EMA, RSI, and use some Fibonacci. Let's put a Fibonacci here. I didn't use Fibonacci too much, but I know it's a strong. Okay, so this is the area of a Fibonacci if it goes down. And if the Fibonacci matches a support resistance, that's great. The strongest indicators, EMA. EMA are either, you can choose from 7, 21, 50, and 200. RSI, I think I have an RSI here. Let me see. Yeah, this is the RSI. Oh, what I did. The RSI. Um, RSI and Fibonacci sometimes too. Fibonacci too. This is RSI on 5 minutes though. I set it on a 5 minutes because I'm working on a strategy that it uses RSI, EMA, RSI, and the channel, which the channel is basically a smooth moving average 200 is a combination of yes. The channel is a combination of EMA. I'm sure it works. I don't even know what smart money concept. I'm sure it works. Which one is that indicator? SMC. SMC indicator. Recent update. Okay, so it looks like the price wants to break this. We'll see. Oh, let me see what you send me, Marianne. Mm-hmm. So you sold between the 20 and 200. It's a profit now. Looks algo. Oh, I know which one you're talking about. Smart money concept. I have it started here. Um, yes, I used to use this. I used to use this indicator before for my levels. I would for my levels, but then I realized I can draw it myself and it actually works, so I don't use it as much. But I used to use it before this. Oh, hello, Scotty. I'm great. How is your trading going? Today, nothing yet. I'm waiting for the price to break here, the EMA. This is a strong area. Let me see again. You see on 1 hour, it's a very strong resistance. So I'm waiting for the price to react here and go on a short. But we'll see. And for the gold, you can see it's in a nice uptrend. So I'm waiting for the price to come back to here, maybe for a long, or here, what is this area with the M pattern here, for a short to this area. But we'll see. We'll see if we're gonna have anything in the next half hour. But I'm very proud of this week, though. I'm very excited. I mean, excited. I'm good. Like, if last week was a losing week, every day a loss, this week I got it back and more. Yes, I do watch charts. I'm not staying in front of the computer like right now. I set alarms. So right now I do have the alarm when it's crossing the EMA. Uh, but I usually trade till like 12:30. Then I go away, have lunch, and I come back at 2 and I trade then too. If I have, uh, if on a life I have a very shitty trades, I don't trade anymore for the day. If I don't have nothing and no entry, I am still looking for it. And again, it depends how I feel. That's the freedom in trading. You don't have a schedule. But I always have alarms set up and it rings. They loud, so I will hear it. And to be very honest, alarms actually do work. Because if I was to stay in the front of the computer like this for 4 or 5 hours, you just feel like, oh, I want to go in a trade because I'm losing my time. What I'm doing, I want to go. So that feeling comes. So, but when you are doing other things and just waiting for the alarm, or you avoid some bad trades. So yeah, that's my schedule From 2 to 4, I trade again, usually after 12. 12 to 2, I take a break. 12:30 depends. And sometimes at 12, I'm in a position. And then for the market close. I said I did it all for you. I knew you can't break my heart into. Okay, now this is what I'm waiting to break this line. If it breaks this, I mean, you gotta break my heart into. But it looks like you wanna go up. But for a long, at this point, for a long to consider, I need a break of this and a retest. The retest, 100% of the retest of this area. Cu mine de mână și atât, ce avem e atât de special. Cel mai fericit de pe pământ, cel mai fericit de pe pământ. Okay. Okay, Jason, did you... If you still here? I saw your picture that you sent me. Did you put your ATR, those settings? The settings? 21 EMA 2? Or you just put it? I've been taking just one trade for 2 days now. I'm learning to wait. Okay. And let me give you another trick here. You go to style and you choose here. You can choose cross like this. Cross or circles. Make it a little smaller. So you don't have that line. And you can watch, you can see it's a cross exactly at every candle. So when you put your stop loss, you are at this candle. Sometimes let me show you. If you just have a line, it can be a little, I mean, it's up to you. Whatever works for you. Și atunci când apari. Oh, you don't like, yeah, so just go here. If you like crosses, just go here and choose cross. You see, it shows you some points like that. And you can make it smaller, larger from here. Depends how you want it. I think that's good, like this. E21 EMA must and ATR. I'm losing 50 EMA, Cara, but it's because I trade on 1 minute. If you trade on a bigger time frame, you can use smaller EMAs. It works. Bigger time frame, if you trade on a bigger time frame, you can drop your EMA. On 30 minutes, okay, let's see on 30 minutes or 20 EMA. 21. Yeah, okay. You see, it's better, smaller time frames on a bigger, or smaller EMAs on a bigger time frames. On 1 minute, I like bigger EMAs. I use 50. I use 50 EMA. And ATR 10 to 2. But again, because you are on a bigger time frame. On a smaller time frame, you can, I put ATR 20, 21. So you have to adjust the indicators that you use. You have to adjust it with the time frame you use. But that's just a preference for me, Jason. 50. That's just what works for me. Doesn't mean that's the best. You know? Let's see, which one of those EMA? That one, the first one, moving average exponential. You put a star next to it so you have it saved. I don't know if this is real. Like I'm on Instagram and they show me news, but I don't know how real. Nowadays, you don't really know what's real and what's not. It says President Trump is selling millions worth of Bitcoin after telling everyone to buy. I don't know if that's. I fixed the 55 on 1 hour and used 21 on 30 minutes. So on a 30 minutes, I can see the 1 hour 55 and enter trades using the 21. Oh, okay. That's a good strategy too. That's good. Kara, you also trade YM, or what you trade? What instrument you trade? Vive su vida como quiere. Ah, gold. So you saw my analysis on gold? Did you see it? What you waiting for? On 30 minutes. Okay, here is my zones that I'm watching on 30 minutes. You can see it on 30 minutes. It's an uptrend. Here I did this on 1 minute though, but it's very similar. I was in a trade during downtrend. Oh, here, yeah. Esa mujer es icónica. Habla de tus sueños que ella está. La tormenta te experimenta. Yeah, so here are the areas on the gold. I don't know. Hey, this is dropping. Que es tan sensible, tan discreta, tan caliente, inteligente. Okay, so remember, even if it crossed the EMA now, I'm waiting to cross this white line and then I'll go. Es un escándalo. Ella te quita lo. Okay, let me put a Fibonacci to see something. Okay. So now let's see the ATR. I might move the stop loss just like that. Let's see. Let's see to break this line and we can go in, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Thirty minutes. The analysis is important. What do you think about the my analysis, Kara? You saw it? Is it looking similar? Está buena la fiesta, momia mamacita. Okay, we're getting ready to enter, but again, I like to be above the area, but yeah, let's see. We need this area to break the alarm. Is there an entry buy during the Asian session? Farhan. When is the Asian session? Here, I didn't look because remember, Parhan, I always look at those are the trades from yesterday. I always look at the moment. I don't look. I don't know what's gonna happen because I trade 1 minute chart. I can't predict what's gonna happen on an Asian session. Can't predict. The only I can look is maybe make a 1 hour analyze and you do your own, But those are the areas on 1 hour. This and then this down here. Where my money at? And you call me. Everything. You see, that's why I waited for this. This is the previous, like you see, the price had a little struggle to break here. It wanted to, but it had a little struggle. So that's why, even though it crossed the EMA, it crossed the EMA, but I wanted also to cross this white line. When I saw this, remember I told you that, okay, on the respect continues to open Asian and on the continues to make and pull back me entry to buy 1 to 40. Wow, I don't really understand what you're saying, my friend. On 1 hour respect Asian. On 1 hour here, the gap continue to make. I don't know what CHOCH is. Please tell me. She used to be the sweetest girl ever. On 1 hour, you want me to check the gaps on 1 hour? And TFM, he continues to make. So why you telling me you got in here? Fair value gaps. This all is a fair value gap here or on 15 minutes. I don't understand what you're asking me to do. Everything around here, see you dollar bill, yeah, dollar bill, yeah. So you telling Parhan you are in a trade or you're not? Are you talking about now to buy? You're talking about now? I search for never find. For me to buy, Parhan, I need to break this. This. Break and retest it. Focus on buying. Focus on buying. I can't focus on buying because this area, look at this. This is no, I'm not focusing on buying or on selling. I'm not focused on nothing. I'm just focused on right now stay away and have a confirmation where the price wants to go. The only way I'll focus on buy is if it breaks this area. If not, no. You can buy if you are aggressive, you can buy here. It's better to just stay away around this area right now. Just stay away. If the price rejected, you see it's consolidating around here. If the price want to go up, great, but also wait for a retest. Maybe no, I don't want a fake breakout of this area because it's a rough area. Yeah. Say with gold. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. No entry for today. We'll see if by the end of the day we're gonna have one. I'll let you know on Telegram and Instagram, so you can follow me there. And I'll see you, what's day? Friday. I'll see you Monday. I'll see you Monday. Enjoy your weekend and take it easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.